Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Binance 403 forbidden error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Binance App Store. Then on the search bar, simply type it Binance. Then once it loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is try the second method by simply heading over and tapping on the settings. And once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Then once you're inside General, tap on iPhone storage. And once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Binance app, and then simply tap on it. On the provided two options, simply select upload app, and what this does it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.